back. You join me from the EG.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Integra build. So we finally got our emergency brake today. Yes, we got the black emergency e-brake today for my black interior conversion from tan to black, as you can see. So that piece is going to go bye-bye. I'm going to have to clean this a little bit, but other than that, I do have the piece here, and more than happy. So yep, let's get right. Side note, I have noticed that the car has a really bad exhaust leak. So I mean, you don't have to do this because you can smell it already, but I noticed when I first bought the car, I will drive and I can feel heat coming from the emergency brake, pretty much from this opening right here where this little armrest thing sits right there. And I just found it weird. You can smell a little bit of the fume as well, but you're driving, so all that's getting blown away, so you can kind of feel some of it seeping through and the heat from the exhaust. But I put a little carbon monoxide detector underneath, turned the car on, and it started beeping like crazy. So it's a really major big exhaust leak. So I was debating, because I feel like it's coming from over here, one of these spots in there. So I'm probably just gonna put like some, I guess, sealing tape or something just to help it in the meantime. But I do not want to drive like this because it smells bad and it seeps inside the cabin. So I've been looking at options, you know, for buying aftermarket exhaust. I'm just not sure if they connect onto the catalytic converter and then just pretty much like a plug and play all the way back, because it says a B series, so it'll go all the way to how it's supposed to be with the headers. So with that, I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, because I also want to get a new catalytic converter, because I'm not sure what's the state of the one that I have in right now. This car did come with the check engine light on. It went away after I took the negative terminal. I removed it. It kind of reset itself, so I'll have to drive it again and wait until it pops back again with the same error, so I can see exactly what code it was, because it won't even pick it up with my little eBay scanner. So for right now, that seems like the plan, and they're not that expensive. The exhaust, you're talking about maybe like less than $200, which is pretty good. So I might have to do that, but then again, I'm not sure when I put the K series in the future if I'll be able to directly if I'll be able to reuse the catalyst that I bought, because that'll be literally a same OE replacement as the one on the vehicle right now. And I don't know if I'll need a little like a shorter one, because based on my EG's exhaust, it's kind of tight in there. I mean, I could put a catalytic converter if I wanted to, but it'll probably have to be a small one. The one that comes from factory from this one, it's slightly longer, so I'm not sure if me buying an OE replacement will suit me for what the K is, but with the K, because I might need to buy another one to fit the whole exhaust system, because this one obviously had to get modified, and it's not 100%, but it rattles and I can hear rattling, so this one has to get fixed up. But I mean, it's pretty good. There's no leak like this one, so yeah. finished product right there. It's all done. Went ahead and cleaned it a little bit and some armor oil, but it came out looking really good. I mean, this is a little bit peeled off, but it's okay. Other than that, there you go. Connected, all done. Make sure that I count it, how many threads I had there, so match it up with this one. So yeah, there you go.